So we are in linear equations in two variables out of five exercises. So of course, one exercise is not there, 6.4, and in the 6.3 also only up to 6. So almost all we are at the end of the 6.3 exercise. 6.3 exercise. So all of you open your textbooks. 138 page number 138. 138 page number. Three problems we completed. Fourth, fifth, sixth also every problem is a graph. Just drawing the graph. So fourth problem. Draw the graph of y minus x is equal to 2. Draw the graph of y minus x is equal to 2. So first draw the graph, and from that some other questions also asked. Find from the graph the value of y when x is equal to 4, the value of x when y is equal to minus 3. Given equation. Drawing the graph, each and every problem drawing the graph. Just draw the graph of this equation. Every equation we can draw the graph. But when it is a power 1, x power 1, y power 1, definitely we will get a line. Line we will get, straight line. Because this is a linear equation. Linear means line. So how to draw the graph for this? You have a lot of practice in drawing the graph. Fifth chapter you have practiced, and in the sixth also many problems we did based on drawing the graph. So see here, this is the equation. For convenience I will write like this. Y is equal to, I will take minus x to the right side. Minus x to the right side plus x. Already 2 is there. See, I am taking minus x to the right side, it will become plus x. Already plus 2 is there, so write as it is. So that it will be convenient, because if you take some x value, directly we will get y. Any x value, directly we will get y. Only for that I took this minus x to the right side, it will become plus x. Now prepare the table. See here. Don't write. What is the equation? Y is equal to x plus 2 is the equation. Y is equal to x plus 2 is the equation. So how to prepare the table? You know, take any x value and find the corresponding y values. Take any x value, find the corresponding y values. So take x is equal to any number. Take x is equal to any number. Let x is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 3. Any numbers you can take. Any numbers you can take. But yesterday in one problem, we have chosen right values for x so that we should not get a fraction. Suppose if x is equal to 1 you take, and y value is 1 by 5 or 1 by 6, then 1 by 6, plotting 1 by 6 on the graph is difficult. So therefore try to avoid the fractions. Here there is no fraction. Any values you can take. See, while choosing the x values, see that we should not get the fraction, because fraction also okay, but it is inconvenient to plot the point on the graph. Fraction point, it is little difficult. So integer means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0. It is easy to locate. So I took x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Any values you can take. So I took like this. Now if x is 0, what is y? X is 1, what is y? You fill this. X 0. X 0 I took. Y is equal to 0 plus 2. 2. Y is 2. When x is 0, when I am taking x is equal to 0, substitute 0 in place of x. 0 plus 2 is 2. So what is y value? 2. Take x is equal to 1. Take x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. What is y? X is equal to 1. 1 plus 2. So 3. Y is 3. X is equal to 1 means 1 plus 2 is 3. Take x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. What is y? 2 plus 2, 4. X is equal, actually 3 points are sufficient. I told many times. 3 points are sufficient. Just only for practice I took one more. 3 are okay. So now x is equal to 3. X3 means 3 plus 2, 5. X3 means 3 plus 2, 5. So what are the points? X0, Y2. X1, Y3. X2, Y4. X3, Y5. 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5. Like that we got the points. Over. So now we got the points. Now plotting the points on the graph. Plotting the points on the graph. So we got the points. X-axis. In the middle of the graph, take the graph paper. In the middle of the graph, bordering line. So don't draw in the middle, like there will be some lines, big lines. Horizontal lines, vertical lines. So on one horizontal line, using the scale, draw the line. On one horizontal line, using the scale, draw the line. Next, on one vertical line, using the scale, draw the vertical line. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. X-axis, y-axis. The point of intersection is called origin. It is 0, 0. X value 0, y value 0. Take x values on this axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative values. This side negative values. -1, -2, -3, -4. Y values. There are boxes in the graph paper. Each box, take it as 1. Each box. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Positive x, y values, negative y values, negative x-axis, positive x-axis. Like this, we took the numbers. Each box, there will be some big boxes. Each box you take 1, 1, 1, 1 like that. Now, coordinate system, the Cartesian plane is over. Now plotting the points on this Cartesian plane. 0, 2. X value 0, y value 2. X value 0, y value 2. X0, y2. X0, y2. X0, y2. This is the point. Say I am taking it as A, for example. X0, y value 2 on y-axis. When x is 0, it will lie on y-axis only. So here, Next, x1, y3. See carefully how I am plotting. x1, y3. x1, x1, y3. x1, y3. This is one point, this is second point. x1, x1, y3. This is the point. 1, 3. 2, 4. See here. 2. 2. X value 2. Y value 4. X value 2, Y value 4. X value 2, Y value 4. 2, 4. This is the point. 2, 4. X value 2, Y value 4. X value 2, Y value 4. 3, 5. x3, y5. 3, 5. x3, y5. x3, y5. x3, y5. x3, y5. Over. 4 points I plotted on the Cartesian plane. Take a scale, join all the points. But when you are using white paper, so you won't get perfect straight line because there will be some error. If you are using the graph, if you join them, we will get a line. But here if you join, we will get line like this, line like this. You won't get a straight line because approximate points you are plotting. So if you are using white paper, you may not get a straight line, but we will get a straight line. If you join them, line will pass through like this. This is the line. Y minus x is equal to 2. This is the line I drawn. Over. This is the given equation. I took minus x to the right side plus x so that it is easy to take the values. I took x is equal to 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. X is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 means y is equal to 2 plus 2. 4. See here. And x is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 plus 2. 5. So 3 comma 5. Now x0 y2. x0 y2. This is the point. x1 y3. x1 y3. This is the point. x2 y4. x2 y4. This is the point. x3 y5. x3 y5. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Just join them. I told you 3 points also okay. 2 points also we can draw the line. Same line we will get. Even if you take only 2 points also, if you are carefully join them by the scale, same line we will get. Because see, 2 points, that line is continuing. If you join these 2 points also, if you use the scale and extend this and this, same line we will get. So 2 points, minimum 2 points are sufficient to draw the line. If you take 3, okay, good. So no need of taking the 4th point. Just only for practice I am taking. So this is the line. Okay, what is the curve? Drawing the line, draw the line, that is our question, and we have another question also in that. The value of y when x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4, what is y value? X is equal to 4, what is the y value? X is equal to 4, what is the y value? X4, see. X4. Straight you see. Already in the graph paper there will be vertical lines. No need of just again drawing the line. So on the graph paper, from here there will be a line like this. See where it is cutting, tell that y value. What is the y value there? On the graph paper, x4 means, see the same line, just see the line where it is cutting. So it will cut it is cutting, say here. At that point, see this horizontal line, there will be horizontal line here. So see what is the y value at that. As per the graph, if you take, definitely y value will be 6 only. So from here, there will be some, in the graph there will be a vertical lines like this. See here. There will be a vertical line like this. So where it is meeting, say it is P. So see the horizontal. Take the horizontal line and see the y value here there. What is y value? If x is 4, y value will be 6 only. See, take x is equal to 4 here. X is equal to 4 here. 4 plus 2, y is equal to 6 only. But we should not do like this. We have to get it from the graph. So when x is 4, what is y value? 6. Okay. So that anyway we will write. So first write down this procedure, how we prepare, how we took x values, how we got the y values, then write it in the form of a table, write the points here. So up to here you write down. After that, every time we are writing this point. So plot the points on the graph. All these points are plotted on the graph. By joining them, we get required line. We got a required line. Plot the points on the graph. Or plot these points. Plot these points. Plot these points on the graph. By joining these points, by joining them, we get required line. We got the answer. We got the required line. Write down this. And after this, we have two bits in that. First one is from the graph. First question. At x is equal to 4, what is y? That question is asked. When x is 4, what is y? That question is asked. So if you draw this on the graph paper, you will get exactly 6. Even I am also getting 6. So it is correct only because x is equal to 4 here. 4 plus 2 is 6. So y is equal to 6. This is over. The question is, when x is equal to 4, what is the y value? That is the question. So we got 6. Next, second bit. At y is equal to minus 3, what is x value? Y is equal to minus 3, what is x value? See, y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3, what is x value? See, minus 3. Y value, y is equal to minus 3, no? So y here, y value minus 3. So y value minus 3 means you draw the horizontal line and where it is cutting this line, that x value you will get. First you copy it, then after I will rub this and after that I will extend this line, I will answer the second question. Up to here you write down. Up to first question you write down. When x is 4, y is 6. Write down. You copy this. We have to extend. Line means there is no limit. Line means there is no one end and other end. So line segment will have ends, but line there is no end. That will continue up to infinity. This will continue up to infinity. So there is no end for the line. Now the second question is, when y is minus 3, where is the y minus 3? Y minus 3. So y, this is y axis. This is y axis, y minus 3. Y minus 3. Y value minus 3. See the horizontal line. At y is equal to minus 3. From minus 3, there will be a line. Already in the graph there will be line. No need of drawing any other line. At minus 3, there will be a line. See the line. Follow that line. Where it is cutting that line, you see. Where that line minus 3 line is, horizontal line is cutting our line, you just mark it. What is x value at that point? X value means on x axis. So from here, what is the x value? If you see this, these are the x values, no? So if this minus 3, if you take the horizontal point line, already on the graph there will be lines. So suppose if it is meeting this our required line at q, what is the x value you have to tell? X is equal to minus 3 only. Even by doing this process also we will get. See here. Suppose what is x, y value? Minus 3. Y is minus 3. X plus 2. So minus 2 this side, minus 3, minus 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to how much? Minus 5. See here, x is equal to minus 5. At y is equal to minus 3, what is x value? Minus 5. That's all. But all this you will get only if you use the graph. Otherwise, we won't get exactly. Approximate values you will get. Right. So this is over, and next two problems also same model. Copy it. Fifth also I will give some, I will do up to some extent. If time is over, then you can continue, that problem. So fifth also I will solve. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. This is the given equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. I am taking 3 values, enough. As I said many times, no need of taking 4. 3 values enough, even 2 values also enough. Take some x values, find the y, but see that you won't get fraction. You try to avoid the fractions. See, suppose x is 0, what we are getting, y value, how much we are getting? If x is 0, what is y? X 0. 2 into 0, 0. 3y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 by 3, 4. Okay. X 0 you take. X 0 you take. So you won't get fraction. Take x is equal to 0. 2 into 0, x value is 0. Plus 3y is equal to 12. 2 into 0 is 0. 3y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 by 3, 4. Next, tell us one more x value. You should not get fraction. If we take x is equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 by 3 we will get. 10 by 3 is a fraction. It is difficult to locate 10 by 3. 10 by 3 means 3.333. 3.3 means after 3 small boxes, 3.3, that we have to locate. But let us avoid. Let us try other number so that we won't get the fraction. Take x is equal to 3. Many times I told, any numbers you can take. Take x is equal to 3. Take x is equal to 6. You won't get the fractions. So take x is equal to 3. See here. 2 into 3 plus 3y is equal to 12. 2 3 is 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. See here I am writing direct step. X is equal to 3 I am taking. 2 3 is 6. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 by 3 is 2. You do the simplification. X 3. 2 into 3 6. 6 taken to the right side minus 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 by 3 is 2. Take x is equal to 6. 6. 2 into 6, x value 6 plus 3y, 12. 2 6 is 12. 12 taken to the right side, 12 minus 12, 0. 0 by 3, 0. Over 0 4 3 2 6 0. Table is prepared. Over. Plotting these points on the graph. Table is prepared and we got the points. A point, B point, C point. Right. Plot these points on the graph. Join them, we get the required line. That is our answer. Plot these points on the graph, join them, we get the required line. So what line we are getting? See here, x0, y4. x0, y4, x value 0, y value 4. x value 0. X value 0. Don't go that side or this side. X value 0. Y value is 4. This is the point. x3 y2. x3 y2. x3 y2. x3 y2. Not x3. x3. X is 3. X is 3. Y is 2. x3 y2. This is the point. x3 y2. x3 y2. x3 y2. x6 y0. x6. See here. X-axis. X-axis x6. y0. That means here only. x6 y0. So this is our third point. Join them. So you won't get exactly because this is not a graph paper, no? So you won't get straight line if you are using any white paper. So on graph paper you will get exactly required straight line. So this is our line. This is our answer. This is the graph of the given equation. And after drawing the graph, two more questions are asked like the previous. Whose y coordinate is 3? From the graph, whose y coordinate is, draw the graph of the equation, find the solution from the graph whose y coordinate is 3. Y coordinate 3, first question. From the graph, if y is equal to 3, then what is x? Y is equal to 3, y3. Y3 here. Y3. What is x? Y3. Y3 means see the line where it is meeting the y, this line. See the horizontal line from 3 and take what is the x value of that at that point. Suppose if it is a p. So y3 means this is y3. Y3 means see the 3 from 3 there will be a line on the graph. So the line will go and it will cut our line say at some point. What is x value? Check. It will be between 1 and 2, but in graph you will get exact value. See what we are getting. Suppose if y is 3, see here. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Y3 means y3. So y3 means 3 is a 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 by 2 is 1.5. 1.5 you will get. It will be between 1 and 2, exactly in the middle. If you use the graph paper, we will get exactly middle. What is the middle of 1.2? 1 and 2, 1.5. So you will get x value 1.5. So the answer is 1.5 is x value, y value is 3. Like that. X coordinate is minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. X is minus 3. So extend this line. if x is minus 3, from here you see the vertical line, tell what is y. X is equal to minus 3. What is y? You check on the graph. But if you do this we should not do. Only for checking I am writing I am doing this. But actually from the graph we have to get. So x minus 3, 2 into x value how much? Minus 3 plus 3y is equal to 12. Minus 3 minus 6, 2 into 3 minus 6, minus 6 that side plus 6, 12 plus 6 18, 18 by 3 is 6, so it will be 6. So from minus 3 see the vertical line. Suppose if it is q, what is y value? What is y value at this? So it will be 6 only. So y value will be 6 from the graph. So point is minus 3, x value, y value 6. Like this we can complete, and only one more problem left. So because